I can't look at it either, honestly. I can't.
It's really gross.
I don't want to finish that bite.
Cooking through time. Hey guys, it's Liv, and today we're cooking something extra special from the 1950s. Basically, I'm trying to figure out what the hell they were thinking, why they were obsessed with Jello, and why they ever thought that the combination of Jello and tuna belonged together. Let's find out. We're making tuna salad in an iceberg ring. Dissolve 2 4-serving envelopes of low-calorie, lime-flavored gelatin and 1/2 teaspoon of salt into 2 cups of boiling water. And 1/2 cups of cold water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. All right, this is going to chill while I chop up the iceberg lettuce and the green onions. Fold in 3 cups of coarsely chopped iceberg lettuce, obviously for the flavor. This is about 3 cups. How many green onions? 1/4 cup, that's it. Next. It's already super jiggly and massively appealing. You can hear it. Oh God, Gladys. Sorry, Grandma. All right, guys, this is nice and folded. And it's time for the mold. Oh God. Oh God, it's kind of, oh, okay. All right, guys, this is looking beautiful. It has a really nice natural color to it. We're gonna let this chill out in the fridge for 3 hours. I can hardly wait. Now's for the best part, the tuna salad. It's 1/2 fat cup of mayonnaise. All right, oh God. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of capers. I love capers. If this isn't sexy, I don't know what is. Salt and a bit of pepper. Yeah, so this actually is healthy according to like the 50s on like by 50s terms. Like this is probably in a healthy book. Now we're gonna work with our tuna. Smells like the ocean and the flies are coming. After this, we're going to cut up our cucumber. Let's mix these together, shall we? The tuna and the mayonnaise have made like a really nice pasty skin color. And we're gonna go get our Jello mold. Okay, flies. Oh, saboteur! There's no respect for the art. Take 2. Are you ready for this? It's a gorgeous green color, different shades of green, 50 shades of green. It looks like a Christmas wreath. You want to hang it on your door. It's gorgeous. There are no words. I mean, there are words. Gorgeous and green. So first step is pulling the Jello, and it feels really gross. Second move is that we have to give it a quick 10-second warm water bath. And let's do the flipperoo. And reveal. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at that shape. Look at that color. Look at that, oh baby. Just gonna add a little poof, like stuffing your bra. Fake it till you make it, right? Oh yeah. Why did people like this back then? I think Gladys was ahead of the game. She was a trendsetter. If you ate it, you really proved yourself. Gladys is alive today, and her favorite food is this. Zhuzh, does it need a little zhuzh? Radish, do we have radish? Or hot dogs? I heard hot dogs are great. Flowers, guys, edible flowers. Place haphazardly, stick that in there. Slowly, slowly, take her in through the eyes, through the nose, and soon through the mouth. 1950s tuna salad in an iceberg ring. All right, she's finished. She's looking beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very proud of her. Let's go make people eat my beautiful creation. It's dinner time. I guess I have to go first. And again, I'm very excited because I feel like this is how Gladys would serve it. And I'm not eating this whole thing, just to be clear. Let's dig in. I'm speechless. My eyes are watering a little. I think it's more the texture that's disgusting, but also it's just very, very fishy. I think I need other people to try this.
Is smelling it enough? Like, do I have to actually eat it?
Oh. That's even more horrifying than I thought it would be. It doesn't matter.
It looks like a tuna soup.
Salad Jello? Jello salad?
Is there a garbage can?
I'm worried it's gonna turn me off of green Jello, and I love green Jello.
Cheers.
Alright.
I
don't want to finish that bite.
Right.
I kind of get it.
I don't hate it.
You're crying. I see a tear.
It's not so bad if you don't chew it.
It's really gross.
I would fully like go
It's
go
not-
hard on a slice of that. I would eat that.
Yeah, I would.
I would eat that.
I'd eat that.
I don't know if I enjoy any of it.
You know, like, you put like sweet pickles in tuna salad.
Do you think this is like a winning dish?
Can I take another bite?
Without chewing, it's solid, but the flavor's fine.
If this is the most popular dish of the 50s,
True.
that says a lot about
You get a lot
the
of-
50s.
I don't think people like to see like things floating in gelatin.
Maybe if like we just like stuffed all of these in a sandwich or like a wrap.
Yeah.
It does feel like my aunt made it, and it's a little weird. Sorry, Aunt.
I would give this dish a 6 out of 10.
I get like a 3 to a 2 out of 10.
I'd say 3 out of 10 when I try it again.
Okay, I don't want to even be here for this part, but
I hate you.
I get the sweet element. I don't understand why it has to be a Jello.
1950s, baby.
Yeah.